So hello students, in this video we will discuss about the compound interest, amount, rate of interest and time, and solve a one numerical or one question on the compound interest. So first of all, let me clear what is compound interest. Compound interest, basically it is the interest that is paid on the principal with some specific or particular period of time. So for that we will discuss a numerical. Through this numerical we will rectify what is compound interest. So let us begin with our first question. The question says that calculate the amount, means we have to calculate the amount, and the compound interest, and second we have to calculate the compound interest on rupees 10,800, means this amount is the principal, and for 3 years, means the timing is being given that it is for 3 years, and the rate of interest is 1 upon 2%, means if we convert this mixed fraction into fraction, it may be proper or improper fraction, and we have to calculate the compound interest annually. There are three types of things, that is annually, half yearly, quarterly. Annually means 12 months, half yearly means 6 months and quarterly means 3 months. तो स्टूडेंट्स इसमें हमें कैलकुलेट करना है annually. So first of all we will write the solution, and second we will write the given things what are being given. So we know that the principal is 10,800 and the time is 3 years, and the rate of interest is being given that 1 upon 2%. If we convert this mixed fraction into a fraction, we multiply these, means 12 into 24, that is 24, 12 to the 24 and plus 1 is equals to 25 upon 2%. So we know that rate of interest is being given, time is given, principal is given. So we have to find out, we have to find out amount and the compound interest. For this we apply the formula. We know that A is equals to P plus P into 1 plus R upon 100 power n. N in this means time. We denote by n or t, but according to formula we denote by small n. Now amount is equals to principal. What is the principal? That is 10,800 into 1. What is the rate of interest? Rate of interest is 25 upon 2. So it will be 25 upon 2, 100, it will come here, and the time is 3 years. So we will put here 3. Now next step implies, it is the most important step. You should always see that the lines or the formula is being placed by implies, and equals to is being also placed well definitely. Okay, so amount is equals to 10,800 into, if we convert the denominator and numerator in the same form, the numerator will be on upon and the 2 will come at the down because it is denominator. We know the table of 25 means 25 ones are 25 and 25 fours are 100. We cut these values, so now we get A is equals to 10,800 into 1 plus 1 upon 8 power 3. Now we come to our next step, that is we will take the LCM of these fractions and convert it into one fraction, that is numerator upon denominator. If we calculate this, I think we get 8 as the LCM. 8 divided by 1 means 8. 8 into 1, that is 8, plus 8 divided by 8 means 1. 1 into 1 is 1, means we will get 9 upon 8. Okay, now we substitute the value. A is equals to 10,800 into 9 upon 8 power 3. Okay, now the power 3 means, we have learned in the exponent and power chapter that if we have the power of 2 or 3, suppose we have x to the power 2, means we will write the variable x into 2 times as x into x. So here the power is 3, then we will write this fraction into 3 times. So amount is equals to 10,800 into 9 upon 8 into 9 upon 8 into 9 upon 8. So after this we will cut the values, like in from two table, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 4s are 0 0, again 2 2s are 2 7 0 0. Now we put the remaining values 2 7 0 0 into 9 into 9 into 9 upon 2 into 8 into 8. Again we will cut 2 1s are 2 and 2 3 5 0, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 7 are 15, 7s are 14 and 5. Now we get amount is equals to 675 into 9 cube. What is the square of 9? That is 81. And third is maybe multiply 81 into 9. 81 into 9 upon 4 8s are 32. So we get the value 675 into 729 upon 32. If we divide this or multiply the numerator and then divide by denominator, we will get the amount. So let us multiply this. If we multiply, we get amount, later we get this and divided by 32. On dividing the numerator by denominator, we get amount is equals to 15,000 so we get the amount 15,377.5. we get the form amount, that is 15,377. so we got amount, but we have not calculated the compound interest. For that we have another formula, that is amount is equals to principal plus CI. For calculating compound interest we have second formula, amount is equals to principal plus CI. So we have the amount, that is 15,377.5, and we have the principal, that is 10,800 plus CI. On sending the values, numerical value to one side, it will be 377.5, 10,800 is equals to CI. On subtracting value, we get 10,800.0, 577, and from here 9 10 11 12 and 5 and 4. So we get the compound interest, that is 4577.5. so here is our compound interest and here is our amount. So from these two formula we can calculate the compound interest and the amount. So I think you understand the concept and the formula of this question.